Hi, I'm Wendy Markgraf with Inside Out Body Works. I am a holistic health practitioner, a master herbalist, and nutritional counselor. I'm creating this channel so that I can bring to you all the information that I have about herbs and their properties and their amazing attributes. My goal is to put out a new herb every week through a video here. You're going to want to subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications so you can tune in and learn about a new herb each week. Hi, welcome to the channel. It's Wendy with Inside Out Body Works. Today we're here to talk about white willow bark. It is nature's aspirin. I love white willow bark for any pain, any kind of inflammation. It has anticoagulant properties as well, so you can lower your blood pressure, keep away blood clots, those types of things. Anything you would use aspirin for, white willow bark is phenomenal. Menstrual cramps, low back pain specifically, it really helps with that. Fevers, bursitis, arthritis, you name it. It's just a really good, safe herb to use, and the flavor's not so bad. You can use it as tea. I make them into tinctures and then blend them with other things. And if you want to learn more about white willow or any other herb, click the link in the description. Let's talk.